In fixing your Android broken screen, what you need is your new screen and your clamp, your gum, and the tools. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to clean your so the first thing you need to do is to clean the crackers. The reason why I'm cleaning the crackers is so that the screen can have a place to sit properly. So that is the main reason I'm cleaning the crackers. So make sure the crackers is well cleaned and make sure it's in a good shape. Clean brush. I'm a say. So after you do the cleaning, you can brush it. So now you can see how clean the crackers is. So the next thing is what? You test your screen. So in order to make sure that the screen is working properly before you fix it. Okay, so I'll put it there. Put it back here. After that, you put me on. So now I'm testing the screen. Now the screen is working perfectly. Now it's working perfectly. So the next thing to do is to remove back your screen. Make sure you turn it on or turn it off by using the power switch. So next thing to do is so now you can put your gum. Yeah, don't make sure that your gum is not too much. So you apply your gum. So you're going to leave it for some seconds so the gum can dry a little bit. So now your screen is the gum is dry already. So now you can freeze the screen. Now you can clamp it. So you're going to clamp it for 5 minutes. So after the clamping, then you are done. So this is how to fix your any Android broken phone like Vivo, Infinix, Techno. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.